So hello everyone, today we have a chance to test drive the Audi TT-RS 2018. This is
Jimmy from Audi Anjou.
Yeah, thank you very much for Audi Anjou for letting me try this car. It's my first time actually trying to drive a TT-RS. Not even, just a TT, I've never tried it. So it's going to be a good experience.
Enjoy it.
I'm a Honda guy, so I'm going to give it a try.
Once a year we're doing an event. It's called the Audi Sport Tour. So the event is to try all the RS model.
Okay. So
the RS3, the RS5, the TT-RS, and also the R8. Like everyone want to try this car. So that's it. So we invite every customer and every people that want to try our brand. And
oh, okay. This car, like I really like the headlights. And the steering wheel is number one.
The steering wheel is very nice.
My.
Yeah.
It feels like a Ferrari or something. Because usually it's the Ferrari, right? You start the car
same for the R8.
R8 is the same?
Yeah, same thing.
Wow. So this is like a baby R8.
Yeah.
Kind of.
But the R8 doesn't have the Alcantara.
Okay. It's leather?
Yeah.
I prefer Alcantara.
Yeah, me too. At Audi Anjou, we don't need to wait till the Audi Sport 2 to try the car. If every customer that's interested on an Audi RS model or S model, they can also call us and
make an appointment.
Make an appointment and try the car in the dealerships.
Oh wow.
Yeah, push it.
Wow. This is a DSG, right? The transmission, or?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Very impressed. This compared to my Civic, it's like
with the quattro.
Wow.
But they did pretty good with the Civic too. Huh?
Yeah, for the price, it's not so bad, I guess.
Yeah, it's very fast for a
front-wheel drive.
Front-wheel drive.
Well, this is completely different league, I tell you.
Yeah,
it's really something much different.
When you go fast, the handling is very nice.
Must be, eh? Because the car is very small. It's very short too. Wow. It feels very comfortable. It's not like super stiff like an old car, but you know, it's classy.
What is nice with Audi?
Oh wow.
So you can go very fast. You can have a very sportive car, but if you want to go like just normal and be comfortable, you can have it too.
Brakes feels good. Car feels good. I love the stitch on the seats.
Diamond stitching.
Yep.
You also have in the TT-RS the massage seat.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
Where is it?
On the
sides?
Yeah, on the side.
Okay. Not as often. Oh wow. 70 already.
And 400 horsepower.
400 horsepower, quattro. Wow. How can you not like this?
Push it.
All the way straight. Oof!
Feeling, huh?
Yep. That torque and the power. No man, there's no way my Type R is even close. The grip.
Yes.
And the power comes
it's like
too
just
fast.
Boom.
Comes too fast. And because I don't have to change gears, right? It's not manual.
It's manual?
Yeah, it's manual.
Okay,
Type R is manual. Man,
it's better like that, huh?
It's too fast. Yeah. If you shift manually,
you don't have the time to.
Exactly.
Change it.
Okay, so. Okay, you have to really stare at the screen.
Yeah, and what is nice too is with the dynamic mode, you have a green like things that appear on the RPM.
Oh,
it tells you to shift.
Nice.
At a good time.
See, it takes the bumps. It's comfortable, you know. You're not losing control. Like you're not swinging everywhere. Because some cars, the suspension is harsh, but you lose a bit of control because it's so stiff. The suspensions. Wow. Wow. And you've driven this before, and you're still impressed.
I'm always impressed of this car.
Oh wow! Imagine me, man. This is my first time. Like, one of the advantages, I guess.
But we have another. I'll wait a little bit. We have another event on September that we can bring the customer. It's in Mont-Tremblant.
Okay.
And the customer can also try the car in the track and have a little course. with the specialists that like we have now. We have Carl Nadeau over here.
Okay.
That's the professional driver.
Oh, nice. So he teaches you some tricks.
Yeah, and Simon
like
Dion too is coming. So there's two professional drivers that's teaching us how to learn to drive on the track.
All right. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Very nice car.
Was a pleasure.
Thank you very much.